guys, this is Nurse Jackie from Cosmetic Sculpting Clinics in Sydney's beautiful North Shore. Today we'll be talking about filler quantities. When assessing filler quantities, we need to consider whether the treatment is for enhancement or rejuvenation. Facial enhancement treatments include lips, cheeks, chin and jawline. These areas typically require less product as we're merely accentuating existing facial features. Every patient is assessed on a case-by-case basis and may require multiple treatments to achieve the desired outcome. Lips may range from 1 to 3 mils, cheeks from 2 to 4 mils, chin from 1 to 2 mils and jawline from 4 to 8 mils. Facial rejuvenation is aimed at restoring what time and gravity has taken away. As we age, we experience recession of bone and a loss of collagen and elastin. This results in sagging and volume loss. This can be seen by looking closely at the skulls of a middle-aged and elderly person, where you can see significant recession of the eye socket and thinning of the cheeks and jawline. This loss of the underlying facial structure leads to sagging of the lower face, hollowness of the eyes, and a loss of definition in the cheeks, chin, and jawline. In order to achieve meaningful restoration in cases such as these, it's necessary to use a larger volume of product and employ more complex injecting techniques. Any treatment plan will need to incorporate the entire face, as individual treatment areas will affect each other. This level of treatment requires a high level of training and expertise, so it's vital that you are seeing an experienced, advanced injector. The amount of product required for restorative treatments can range significantly due to the number of variables we need to consider. To address sagginess of the lower face, we need to treat cheeks, jawline and chin, and we may use between 6 to 12 mil. To address hollowness of the eyes, we'll treat cheeks, orbital area and temples, and may use between 4 to 10 mils. Treating multiple issues requires a coordinated approach. This is referred to as a liquid facelift and may require between 10 to 22 mils. To give some perspective on the impact 1 mil of product will have, you can see that 1 mil equates to approximately 1/20th of a teaspoon. Just consider this against the size of the area we are treating. For more information on today's video or cosmetic injections generally, simply contact us through our Instagram @Cosmetic Sculpting or at our website www.cosmeticsculpting.com.au. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the clinic.